If Augusta Zoysia is on your radar, the chances are you want a lawn that looks fancy, even if you're not. This is the kind of lawn that makes the neighbours slow down when they walk past and go, "Is that real?" And you just shrug like you've got no idea what they're talking about. At the Turf Shed, we grow premium A-grade Augusta Zoysia on our family farm, and we deliver it fresh straight to your door. There's no middlemen, there's no mucking around, there's just premium turf done properly. Augusta Zoysia, it's a fine leaf, dense and slow growing grass, which means that it stays neat, manicured and lush with way less mowing and upkeep than you'd expect. You're probably getting away with mowing this fortnightly in the summer months. It's the ultimate looks like you know what you're doing grass, even if you don't. And it's shade tolerant too. It only needs about 2 to 3 hours of sun each day. You'll see Augusta Zoysia all through our socials, our website, and our Google reviews. It really is the go-to choice for homeowners who want their place looking sharp but don't want to live on the mower. So if you like the idea of a lawn that does all the heavy lifting while you take the credit, Augusta Zoysia is your grass. Get your free fast quote today and lock in your new lawn.